Hi, this is Ronnie with Plantee, and I'm going to give you the super quick overview of the Plantee app so that you can get started today. The Plantee app has three main sections. The Cook tab is your digital recipe book where you can collect recipes from all over the internet as well as from your personal collection. The Plan tab, which is your digital meal planner where you can plan out recipes for the next week, the next month, or however long you like to plan for. And the Shop tab, which is your digital shopping list where you can go to the grocery store and tap off items as you shop. You can also remove items at home so you don't go to the store with things on your list that you already have on hand. When you start your Plan to Eat account, there won't be any recipes in your recipe book because we believe that the recipes you have should be the ones that you know and love and want to prepare for your family. But the best place to get started is to start by adding recipes to your account. So let me show you how to do that. Simply navigate to a recipe that you want to add to your Plan to Eat account and hit the share icon. Then use the Plan to Eat icon to automatically import this recipe into your account. Hit save, and now I have this recipe in my account. The more recipes that you add right off the bat, the easier it's going to be to create meal plans from those recipes and then create your shopping list. In order to add recipes to your meal plan, simply use the plus icons next to the day, plan a recipe, select the recipe or multiple recipes that you'd like to plan, hit next, select a specific meal time, and then add that to your planner. Once you've created your meal plan, you can then go to the Shop tab and you can create a shopping list for specific days so that it will populate all of the ingredients for the recipes in your meal plan. You can use the options here at the top, or you can select specific days down on the calendar. And now my list is populated with all of the things I need for shopping, and as I'm at the grocery store, I can simply tap items off as I put them in my cart. We have tons of informational videos and help articles to help you get started with your account. You can watch all of our videos on YouTube. If you have questions, you can always email us at help@plantee.com. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in another video.